This is Matthew Ferguson for MIS 372, assignment number 5. So I'm just basically going over the assignment here, our 4-step process that we had for adding a reservation, adding a check-in, adding services to the reservation, and then adding the checkout. So I already have a reservation set up, but I was just going to go through setting up a second one. So I have several guests already created here, just mock guests. So I can just use from each ID up to 30. So I'm going to go ahead and add guest number 2. I'm going to leave the check-in and checkout date the same. We'll say 2 just for the heck of it. The room ID, I'm going to use type 3. That's with my room types here. That'll be a premium. I have standard, deluxe, and premium. There's no kitchenette. I basically made it better as you go up, as you go down the list. So anyway, so we'll go ahead and run that. Added the reservation, then we can check it. So we have the reservation there. We don't have any information yet filled out. And then let me just make sure this is 2, 2, 3. So guest ID is going to be number 2 here. The actual number of guests is going to be 2. So I'm going to go ahead and run that. I just run it all together. Alright, so that's the second guest here. 2 guests this time, 3 days. It's going to be the same information as the top, just for example purposes. Alright, and then we need to update this here. Got the room ID of 3. Guest ID is going to be 2. We're just going to add 1 unit here of this extra service. Let me see. And this is just adding the that they had an extra service, so we're only adding 1 unit since it was 1 extra service in this case. Go ahead and run that. There we go. Reservation ID number 1. Extra service ID 1. Alright. Approved by guest 1. And then units number. Oh, that's right. It's in the stored procedure I have it showing me the most current one, so it's not going to show a history here. Alright, and then we'll say the guest 2 checks out, and then we'll just run the whole thing. Alright, and again, for the reservations, it's only showing me the current. It's set to max, so it only shows me the most recent one here. But it does have a list in the reservations. So you can see the room fee was twice as much. They paid for the premium room. The first people paid for the original, which was basically a third of the cost. And that does it, really. That's the whole process from beginning to end. And that's it. I'll just check everything through there. But I do have stored procedures here set for each one, as you can see, and then all the same tables that we have created so far. And then I do also have the Shopify database set up here and everything to date for that as well. Alrighty. Thank you for watching.